Are you struggling to keep up with your credit card payments? Are you unable to obtain an auto loan due to negative items on your credit report? Are you unable to get approved for a much-awaited home loan or refinance because of past judgments on your credit report? Does your business need working capital that you cannot get approved for? There is a solution to all of your credit woes. Credit Repair Savings is a nationwide full credit restoration service. We successfully and permanently delete several types of negative items from all credit bureaus. Remove collections, late payments, judgments, bankruptcy, tax liens, charge-offs, and settlements for good. Watch your credit score grow and the weight on your shoulders dissolve. Take the first steps to obtaining the home you've always dreamed of. Confidently apply for that much-needed new car loan. Get your business the funding it needs to take off. How do you spell relief? CreditRepairSavings.com.